but I don't think. Thanks for the rose. Where have I been? I just haven't been live in so long. But like, yeah, I've only done one biology class, so I need like 5 to even start hygiene school. So we'll see. We will see. Oh really? Yeah, I've heard it's like, cause I didn't want to do assisting, cause assisting, they're so underpaid. The assistants, it's bad. No, I'm in Arizona. But yeah, I didn't want to do assisting because they're so underpaid for all the work that they do. Ugh. Guys, I want hair extensions. Also want like I don't know, not to look like that. Hi Tom. Tom, I'm actually live. I have not been live in a week. But I'm not staying on for that long. Oh really? They're in Arizona? That's cool. It's hot here. My day's going good. Just got ready, kind of. Tried to not look so scary. But my hair was in a braid, so like now it's not straightening properly. Hi. And my phone just keeps on moving. So I'm sorry. Plus, hi. I don't know, I kind of want my hair back in the braid. Can you make more? Yeah, I mean you can, but you like actually have to go live. Like this week I think I made $6, or like last week, so I didn't even reach like the minimum payout, so I didn't get it. Yeah, but people make good money. I do not. I mean, I make like some money. Like, I mean, any money is literally like helpful, especially, yeah. And going live, you just go live, it's just easy. I'm 19. Dang. My hair just won't straighten. I just started going live. Wait, going live, yeah. Like probably almost 2 months ago. But I'm also not consistent anymore. Because I have like a job that I have to do.